Just make it work. So I picked up an 01v96 from a certain auction site. It appears to work fine, other than it makes a horrible noise, an acoustic din. So if I fire it up, it'll boot. And you can, I don't know if you probably can or can't hear that hum, which I believe to be the transformer. Right. So I've got her in bits. It was, that's the side basically. So it was line of screws, bottom and then top, and each side comes off. Line of screws along the front, line of screws along the back here, if you can see that, and then you lift the back end of it up, and I've propped it up with this inanimate keyboard. I suppose you could say it's partially animate if I press that, never mind. So that's the transformer that I'm going to swap out. Ideally, I'd like to test these caps, these electrolytics, for their ESR value to see if they're functioning correctly or not. But that looks like a lot of work, so I might not bother now. None of them are noticeably bulging or anything, so I might just leave them for now. In fact, I think I will. So I'll just swap the transformer out. 3 lots of cables, 1, 2, 3. And we'll see how we get on. Right, the new one's in. That was fairly easy. There is 4 screws. 4 screws to get this bit off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was about it really. I'll get it all buttoned up and we'll see how it is. Right, so she's all buttoned up, ready to rock. At the moment of truth.
Just make it work.